Hey everyone, welcome back. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll walk you step by step through ConvertKit so you can set up your account, collect subscribers, and send your first automated emails. First, go to ConvertKit.com and sign up for a free account, or log in if you already have one. Use an email you check often. Complete the quick setup prompts, add your name, business name, and time zone. These details help format timestamps and personalize your account. Next, verify your sender email in Settings. This improves deliverability and makes your emails look trustworthy to subscribers. To start collecting subscribers, go to Forms and click Create Form. Choose a template, inline, modal, or landing page, then customize the headline and fields. In the form settings, enable the incentive email if you're offering a free download. Upload the file or paste the download link so subscribers get it automatically. Publish your form by copying the embed code to your website or using ConvertKit's hosted landing page URL. Test it once live to confirm the opt-in works. Now create a sequence for onboarding. Go to Sequences, click New Sequence, add a welcome email, and set delays between follow-ups to pace your content. Open Automations or Visual Automations, create a new automation with the trigger Joins a Form, choose your form, and add the action Subscribe to Sequence to start the welcome series automatically. Use tags to label subscribers and segments to group them. Add a tag in your automation when someone signs up so you can send targeted content later. To send updates or newsletters, go to Broadcasts, click New Broadcast, choose a template or start fresh, pick Recipients, Preview, and send or schedule it. Connect integrations like WordPress, Shopify, or Zapier in Settings. Scroll to Integrations to automate signups from your website or apps. Also review branding and tracking settings. Always test with a real email address. Confirm the incented email, tags, and sequence timing. Then monitor performance in Analytics and refine your content. And that's ConvertKit for beginners. Set up your account, capture subscribers, automate a welcome sequence, and send broadcasts. If you want, I can make follow-ups on advanced automations or newsletter strategies. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials.